Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever set a daily budget in Google Ads, launched your campaign, and then noticed that your budget just isn't spending, no impressions, no clicks, and no results? Don't worry, this is one of the most common Google Ads issues, especially in 2025. With smarter bidding systems, in this tutorial, I'll show you exactly why your budget isn't spending and how to fix it step by step. Now, before you start, you can create your Google Ads account just by logging in with your Google account. And then you're going to click on sign in, or you're going to click on start now if you haven't signed in already. Now, the first thing you want to do is to check your campaign status. We're going to go to campaign and make sure your campaign is enabled. Also, make sure that ad groups are enabled and ads are approved. You're going to pause or limit campaigns, won't spend at all. Now, the second step is to review bidding strategies. If you're using Target CA or Target ROS, maximize conversions. Your targets might be too strict, so try increasing CPA or lower ROS targets and temporarily switch to maximize clicks to kickstart deliveries. Third thing you can try is to increase your budget. Google may not spend if budget is too low for competition, keywords have high CPC, or you can try increasing budgets by 20 or 30% and removing budget caps on high performing campaigns. Also, make sure to check the targeting restrictions. Over restrictive targeting stops spending. So, very small locations, narrow schedules, and limited devices, and try expanding targeting to test delivery. And also make sure to review keywords, match types. The exact match keywords with low volume equals no traffic. So make sure to add phrase match or broad match with smart bidding. And that's it. A budget not spending doesn't mean Google Ads is broken. It means something is blocking delivery. Once you fix bidding, budget targeting, and keywords, your ads will start running normally. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe and leave comments below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.